we recording? I think so. I'm using a different recording device. Because I ran out of room on my SD card. Hi, buddy. Haven't introduced you yet. This is Fluffy. Hey, you want to come help me do chores? Yeah, you do. Oh, you flipped the thing. Okay, just a second. Oh, that's not working. There we go. You're free. Fluffy has a brother. He's moonscaping. You must be very careful in the dark. Hey. Hi, Maxie. Play? Play? Yes. Good boys. Okay. Off they go. The herd of dogs. Okay. Let's go this way. Come on. Come help. Hey? So we got these two a couple years ago as an early Christmas present for our kiddos. And I know, don't get dogs as Christmas presents for your kiddos. But we actually planned on keeping them. And they're pretty awesome dogs. Aren't you? Play. So much play. Oh, they're the doorbells. Why are you doing that? That's not nice. It's not nice at all. Yes, they work very well as doorbells. And yeah, they why are you peeing on that? Because I'm a boy and that's what I do. Lego, you don't need to be mean. She's such a nasty. You're not nice to them. Yeah, like that. Okay, do it again. Maxie, go over here. Go smell Lego. Make her snarly snarl. You're such a silly. You know, they like you. They just want to play. They only want to play. Why are you doing that? You know that B word? This. That's where it comes from. Right here. Right here. Hey? Yeah, they just play. Lego doesn't know how to play. Rex is way too old to be playing like that, but he does it anyway. Hey, Maxie? What do you think? Hi, boys. Yeah, you're pretty cute. Hey? You're pretty cute. Rex, we know. I hear you. And oh, I haven't done a chicken video yet, so I'll give you a glimpse. They're just hanging out in here. They're like, let us out. Let us out. I will. I promise. A little late doing chores today. Oh, wow. And you guys are hungry too. They're just waiting. Pardon that pool. I have to get it out of there. I've been saying that for a couple weeks. It's not serving any purpose at this point. Hey, should we come over here? Hello, Justin. There we go. You are so loud. Okay. That's enough randomness for one day, I think. Hope you enjoyed that.